Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Camry versus the Hyundai Azera. We'll explore key differences to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. The Camry is a long-standing favorite, while the Azera aims for a premium feel. Understanding their core strengths is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into performance and features. When it comes to performance, the Camry provides a range of engines, from economical 4-cylinders to a robust V6, and even a hybrid option for maximum fuel efficiency. The Azera, on the other hand, usually comes with a single, more powerful V6 engine, offering a smoother, more refined drive. For daily commuting, the Camry often wins on fuel economy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. And on another note, whether you're packing lunch for work or road tripping in your new sedan, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, the Camry prioritizes practicality and durability, with a straightforward layout and intuitive controls. The Azera steps up the luxury, featuring higher quality materials, more standard tech, and a generally more upscale ambience. If spaciousness is a priority, the Azera typically offers more room for both passengers and luggage, reflecting its full-size sedan status. Reliability is a major factor for many buyers. The Toyota Camry has an excellent reputation for dependability and lower ownership costs, often retaining its value very well. The Hyundai Azera comes with an impressive warranty, which provides peace of mind, but its resale value might not match the Camry's. Both are solid choices, but for long-term value, the Camry often has an edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.